Hi everyone, how you doing today? My name is Fibunacci and I'm from Winners Trading Global. Today I'll be talking to you about Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement is a tool that we forex traders will use to know where the market will get to and begin to retrace. Now quickly, without wasting your time, I'm going to share my screen, take you straight to the MT4. Now this is the MT4. To get your Fibonacci, there are two ways you can get your Fibonacci. One is by going to your straight to your MT4, click on where you have F, and you bring out your Fibonacci. This is one. Another way you can equally get a Fibonacci is by going to your, you go to your insert, come down straight to Fibonacci. That's retracement there, the first one. Click on it, and you still have your Fibonacci. Now, the Fibonacci is a tool that shows you various points of retracement, like a 21.6, 38.2, 50.0, 61.8, your 100.0. There are other retracement points like your 78.6, your 88.6, etc., etc. Now, if you look at your chart, you notice that the market started to come down from here, around here, started coming down, and it stopped around here before it started going upwards. When the market is coming downwards and when it's going upwards, there are different places you can place your Fibonacci. Now, when the market is going upwards from here, it means that you start from the highest point to the lowest point to be able to get this market going up. I'll take that again. Because the market is going upwards, it's showing a reversal pattern and it's about going up. Since it wants to go up, you have to start from up, the peak, the highest point, to draw your Fibonacci down to the lowest point. Now, I take my Fibonacci. Since the market is going upwards, I'll start from the highest peak. Look at these two. I think they are the same, but I'll use this. Start from the highest peak. Double click and drag it down to the lowest one. It has to be sitting on the Fibonacci, the one down. Then the one above has to be touching the Fibonacci like the roof. Double click to lock it. Now, if you double click at the edge, you notice the point here and a point there. It means that you can move the up and down. You can move this down one up or anywhere you want to move it to. This same one, still the same thing, anywhere you want to move it to. You can drag it up and down, it goes with you. Now, but the point at the middle, which makes it the third point, 1, 2, and 3. This one is to drag everything, the entire Fibonacci, to the left or to the right. So you can hold it and keep it exactly where you want to keep it. Once you have done that, you double click to lock it. Remember, you cannot delete it this way, and you cannot move it this way until you have double clicked on it to be able to move or delete. To delete, you just right click and you click on your delete and it comes there. Now, how did I bring it back? I just used my Ctrl Z and it just came back. Now, this tool shows you where the market gets to and goes back. Now, look at this. Since the market started from here and is moving upwards, anytime it gets to your 23.6, 38.2, or your 50%, 61.8, and so on and so forth, market always shows a retracement. For example, look at when it got to 23.6, you can notice it was ranging there. Look at when it got to 38.2, you can notice it was ranging here. But each time it gets to your 50, sometimes it comes back to 38.2 before it goes to your 61.8. Some markets reverses at 61.8, while others reverses at different areas. Now, this is for a market that's going for a buy. Let's look for a market that is coming down for a sell. So I'll delete by right clicking, then I'll click on delete. Okay, let's see. Okay. For example, when this market left here, went up. When it got here, formed the reversal pattern and started coming down. Because it's coming down, you have to start from down to up. Now, because this is going up, you have to start from up to down. At the end of this video, slow down, replay it again slowly, and listen to what I said. The market is going up from here to this peak here. Here it's coming down from here to this here. Here it's coming from here to here. We have different approaches. If it's going up, you start from up, highest point, to down. Now, if it's coming down, you start from the lowest point to up. Now that it's going up, you start from the highest point to down. All right. Now that the market is coming down here, let's do it with the Fibonacci. Go there, click on it. Because it's coming down, you start from the lowest point down to the highest point up. Highest point up, lowest point down. Now it's going to be sitting on the Fibonacci. Why this is going to be like the roof to the Fibonacci. You double click to lock. Now, notice that when it got to 23.6, it went back. As soon as it got to 38.2, it went back a little more. As soon as it got to 50%, you notice it ranged. Went back a little, then got to 61.8, then went backwards. Market reverses at these various points. Now, in the next video, I'll be showing you the same Fibonacci, but how to edit, how to change the color, that's what I mean, how to add other retracement points, and how to use it to enter for a trade. Remember, my name is Fibunacci, and we have various videos on our YouTube channel to show you how to trade forex, to show you how to use the various tools, and to prepare you as a trader. Now, in case you like our video, please click on like. Then, in case you have not subscribed, click on subscribe and make sure you get your friends to also join us in watching and subscribing to what we already have. My name is Fibunacci. I celebrate you. Looking forward to having more videos with you.